Welcome all to the e-learning class. Myself, Dr. R.N. Lenka, dealing with the paper C9, that is Assessment for Learning. And this is for B.Ed second year trainees. And today's topic is short answer type test. We have already discussed different types of test items. Teachers use a variety of test items for testing the learner's achievement. And the tests may be either essay type test or short answer type test or objective type test. संक्षिप्त उत्तर परीक्षण या short answer type test is one of them. Generally, the modern trend is to include more and more short answer type test and objective type test in comparison to the essay type tests, because they are more reliable, they are more valid, and they are of high usability. Meaning and characteristics of short answer type test. Generally, short answer type test का जब हम बात करते हैं, इसका आंसर संक्षिप्त होता है, लिमिटेड वर्ड्स के अंदर. इसलिए कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप टेस्ट आर जनरली द टेस्ट्स दैट रिक्वायर एग्जैक्ट आंसर्स विद इन लिमिटेड वर्ड्स. दे यूजुअली टेक लेस टाइम, 5 to 7 minutes, generally 5 minutes both for reading as well as for answering. And the time limit is also given in the test, constructed test. Short answer questions permit larger sampling of contents. It is in comparison to the essay type test. In essay type test, long answer type test जिसको कहते हैं, in long answer type test, the questions are less in number, hence they cover less content area. But short answer types are more in number, accordingly they cover more content areas. For example, one question from each unit at least. They tend towards greater objectivity in scoring also. And short answer type questions or short answer type tests are more reliable, more valid, more usable in comparison to the essay type test questions. The answer is supplied by the pupils themselves, not pre-selected like that of the objective type test. In objective type test, generally the questions are there, the answers are also there. The student has to select only the best or the appropriate answer out of multiple choice or out of given box like that. But in short answer type, the learner or the participant or the respondent has to answer in his or her own words within limited words as per the instruction given. Hence, the answer is precise or specific to the scope and length of the answer, particularly related to the content. Then classification of short answer type test कितने प्रकार के. Generally, we can classify the short answer type test into extended answer type and insert and completion type. What is extended answer type test? The extended answer type test questions generally require the pupils to write a brief description, to draw a map, to make a list, to perform a calculation, translate a sentence, and write down a definition or formula like that. They are probably the common form of questions used in schools by the teachers and frequently used in examining boards. They are deceptively easy to set and usually difficult to mark with any degree of speed and consistency. Examples of such type of tests are, example 1 you can see, give the titles of 2 novels of William Shakespeare and for each the names of 3 of the principal characters. One is required the title and 3 characters of each title. The respondent has to give the answer in this way. Example 2. Describe briefly 2 factors which contributed to the outbreak of the First World War. Here only briefly the learner has to write briefly the 2 factors that contributed to the outbreak of First World War. Example 3. Make diagrams to show the structure of an atom, a human cell, or methyl alcohol, like that. These are the examples of first category of short answer type. Second category is the insert or completion type, and this is also a common form of completion questions where the pupil is required to add 1 or 2 words to complete an incomplete statement or paragraph correctly, where the missing words or missing parts are in the body of the statement and to be completed by the learner. A completion type, it is not the completion type that is found in the objective type. There the only one word or phrase is required in case of objective type test. But in case of short answer type, insert or completion type, a completion type is where the words are required at the end of the statement and use or insert the completion questions within limited or written statements. And also complete maps, drawings, diagrams, formula, calculation, like that. All these are the category of completion type short answer type test. For example, complete the missing words in the paragraph. There are 3 to 5 missing words and the learner is required to complete these blank points or blank places and to have a meaningful paragraph. A useful technique for testing vocabulary and spelling as well. Example 2. Complete the following formula. So in case of formula completion, for example, there are 5 names are there, scientific names, and the learner is required to write the formula of all these scientific names. This is also one category of short answer type test. Now the question is merits of short answer type test. Merit मतलब advantages या गुण. संक्षेप उत्तर का प्रश्न या परीक्षण के गुण क्या है. नंबर 1, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी ऑफ स्कोरिंग. In comparison to the essay type test, short answer type tests are better for scoring because the answers are in short, brief in comparison to long answer type question. So in the answer key also the instructions are given to the examiner how to evaluate. It is more objective in the sense of scoring. Number 2, besides the question setter can ask a number of such questions as compared to long answer type questions within the time limit also. There can be greater coverage of content or course because comparatively short answer type questions are more in number in comparison to the essay type questions, and also there is less chance or no chance of alternatives in case of short answer type test. The respondents are required to answer all the short answer type questions without an option. But in case of a long answer type question, the options are available. And there is every chance on the part of the learner to skip one answer or one question and select the other. They are more reliable and they are more valid in comparison to long answer type questions. वैधता या विश्वसनीयता का बात करें, रिलायबिलिटी एंड वैलिडिटी का बात करें, short answer type questions or short answer type tests are more reliable, short answer type tests are more valid, or they are of high reliability and validity in comparison to long answer type test questions. There is less chance of guessing by the students. Guessing, in case of objective type test also, children may guess and by guessing they may answer. But in short answer type test, there is no chance of guessing because students have to answer in their own words, within limited words. Hence guessing is not possible. Rather, answer is required in own words. Number 5, preparation and administration are easy. Generally short answer type test, difficulty, preparation of a test item is more difficult in case of objective type test items, because we have to find out, for example, multiple choice item. In case of multiple choice item, we have to find out 4 parallel answers, out of which the child has to select the best one or the correct one. Hence the item preparation is more difficult, but here preparation is easy, because the teacher has to write the question in such a way that the answer will be within limited words. Similarly, administration also, short answer type test is comparatively ease of administration in comparison to objective type test items. It is a compromise. The most effective thing is the short answer type test is a compromise between the essay type test and the objective type of test. It is in between the two. Then demerits or limitations of the short answer type test. What are the limitations? Number 1, in case of a short answer type test, though there is little scope, still handwriting, language expression, organizational quality, expressional qualities are less assessed in comparison to the essay type test. Hence, they may affect the scoring process. Difficulty of organizing the subject matter in a concise form, because the teacher asks the question in such a way that the learners have to organize the subject matter concisely, precisely, briefly, shortly, in short form. It is also very difficult to frame the question. Overemphasis on paraphrasing and summarization, because short answer question requires summary form of writing or paragraph form of writing. In a short paragraph, answer has to be given. And this type of skill is required on the part of the teachers as well as the part of the respondents and the learners. दोनों के लिए जरूरी है. समराइजिंग स्किल, पैराफ्रेजिंग स्किल, ब्रीफ क्वेश्चनिंग स्किल, ब्रीफ आंसरिंग स्किल, ये सब दोनों के लिए शिक्षक तथा छात्रों के लिए जरूरी है, जिस वजह से ये एक डिफिकल्ट टास्क है. डिफिकल्टी इन डायग्नाइजिंग द लर्निंग डिफिकल्टीज. In case of objective type of test, it is more easy because answer is pinpointed to the point. Short answer type provides little scope of subjectivity, though the long answer type provides much scope of subjectivity of items. The scope for cramming also. Sometimes the learners or the respondents go for cramming of selected questions, short answer type questions, and that is also a demerit or a limitation of item preparation. Preparation of appropriate test items is a challenging task. It is a challenge on the part of the teachers also, because appropriate word organization or appropriate question framing is also a challenging task that requires experience, knowledge and expertise on the part of the teachers. Teachers must have minimum knowledge for preparing such type of tests. Then pupils opt for selected cramming. Cramming is also a negative part. The short answer type tests need expertise of teachers for item preparation. It is costly for printing as well in comparison to the essay type test, but less cost for in comparison to the objective type of test. Then test items demand more content analysis. For preparing short answer type test, teachers need content analysis, item analysis, so that they can serve the purpose of testing or purpose of instructional objectives. However, the use of short answer type test are to be prepared or preferred in comparison to the long answer type test because of higher objectivity, higher reliability, validity, and more content coverage. Let's summarize today's discussion. Short answer type test. We highlighted the meaning. We highlighted the characteristics of the short answer type test. Then some of the examples were also discussed regarding short answer type of test, different types of short answer type test, then merits and then demerits. And with this, I hope all these points will help you to have a thorough understanding of what is called short answer type test, and it is also helpful for teachers as well as the learners to prepare such tests on the basis of instructional objectives. Thanks.